In this video, I am going to show you how we can publish a share folder in Active Directory. So first of all, I will create a share folder on my desktop in the name of test, and I will right click it and share it. Click on advanced sharing, click on share this folder, and check out the permission. Here permission is given to everyone, but you should take care while giving permission, and it is read-only permission. You should only give permission to the specified user or specified group, not everyone. Just for the sake of practical, I am giving it and click on edit and add everyone and give it only read permission. Click on close. So now what we have to do, we have to publish this share folder in Active Directory. So first of all, go to the computer management, and here you will see the shared folder option. Sorry, shared folder option, and here you can view the shares that have been created on your system or your server. So right click it and click on properties, and here you will see a publish tab. So click on publish this share in Active Directory. You can add also the description. So if you don't publish it, let's assume we don't publish it right now. So if you go to the Active Directory user and computers, and if you try to find the share folder, so no one can search here. For example, if anyone want to view what are the share folders on your system, he can't view it because it has not been published to the Active Directory. So it makes easier for your network administrator to find all the share folder, or if you have permission, if you have given a specific permission uh, to any your network user, so he can also find this information, and this will be valuable. So now what we have to do to we have to publish this. So click on publish, and click on OK. So now if you want to find out where the share folder is, there are two options. Either you can use the find command, uh, and also you can see here the domain controller. This is an OU, not a container. By default, when you install Active Directory, people say no OU is created, but here domain controller has a is a OU, not a container of object. These are the containers, not and this is the OU. So you will find here, this is my server name. This is all about your operating system, which you have installed Active Directory, and it is the operating system information and member of delegation, if any, location and managed by. So all the information is available of your server in this domain controller OU. Also the policy, when you set GPO, these policies are implemented on this domain controller OU. So you can click on view, and here you can see user contact group and computer as containers. So click on this option. So now if you click domain controller, you will see here these folders which I have been created. which have been created by me. Either way, you can also click on find and here choose the share folder option. If you type the name test, so you will see here the share folder, and you can even explore the share folder from here by right clicking it. So in this way, we can publish the share folder in Active Directory. Thanks for watching.